Hello everyone, welcome to the last module discussion of the semester, and I hope everybody has had a great semester. After reading the chapter, I think that controlling costs and enhancing learning are two trends related to the future of student affairs. Controlling the costs is extremely important because as a student affairs professional, we have a set budget that we have to work with each year. Learning what is working in our departments, it allows us to cut out what is not. By doing so, it allows the extra savings to be allocated to other areas, such as the second trend I want to discuss, enhancing the student's experience on campus as well as in the classroom. Asking students questions regarding their learning experience allows us to enhance how students learn all over campus. What works for one student may work for another. It's just great to give the option to learn from another student, and it is the best part of working in student affairs. The cost savings that we have left can be used in the form of technology, software, or maybe even a project that lets students be more hands-on and engage with other students/faculty. After reviewing the Tubb and McIrwin article, my journey to student affairs was very similar. After graduating high school, I went off to college to pursue a degree as a networking specialist and in an IT. It wasn't until I transferred to Kennesaw State that it became clear that working in student affairs would be my next move because I am an extrovert and love being around people. So sitting behind a glass and working on computers for me was not going to bring me joy. In the article, 82.6% of respondents stated that being involved in student activities made them aware that a career in student affairs was an option. This is exactly how I figured out that working in student affairs was for me. During my undergraduate experiences, I joined many student organizations on campus. Being in a leadership role and working with students to become members and encouraging them to join was a big part of why I chose to pursue a degree in higher education. I love the college environment and helping students achieve their dreams. 80% said that they were encouraged or influenced by a student affairs professional. I was influenced by the advisors of these organizations and especially the assistant director of campus engagement at Kennesaw State. If the same study was conducted today, I don't see the results being much different than how it was conducted 12 years ago. After reading the NASPA article, I don't see technology going anywhere soon. Generation Z is glued to some form of device. Everything they learn in college mostly comes from the cell phone, computer, or even tablets. I would embrace the technology when working with students, seeing that it's the main source of communication between a student affairs professional and themselves. Incorporating different ways that technology or software could be used is making sure that students are gaining real-world experience while being hands-on. Some cautions I have about the technology is that students will interact less with one another, seeing that they can talk to each other with the push of a button and not ever see the person. Not having the face-to-face interaction might cause students' academics to diminish and causing more harm than good in students achieving their career goals. Thank you and have a great summer.